Welcome to the global center, where the faith of the people come to end.
We've prayed about it, we've talked about it, we've desired it, and finally it is here. We have moved from this place. You can see the doors have been locked, it's been closed. On the 3rd of August this year, we are taking a pilgrimage going on to the other side.
Shaping the future for the next generation, changing lives for life, changing lives for life. People come to an end, shaping the future.
Everything has been taken down. We are no longer in this place because we have moved on to the other side. This is what will happen. On Sunday, the 3rd of August at 8:30 in the morning, we will be taking a motorcade from the old venue, arrive on time, and we'll be driving, we'll occupy the entire freeway and arrive onto the other side, which is our new place. Let me tell you this, it's a season where we're entering a place of our own. We are out of a landlord. We'll never again be under a landlord. We're entering into a place of our own where we pay nobody rent anymore. The mystery of this is the following. Anyone connecting with us, even from this Sunday, we will have a special prayer that you too will come out of the bondage of a landlord. From this day on, we will speak that special anointing that everybody connected to this vision will own their own property, will own their own homes. This is a season, a special season. Come along, join us. We are looking forward to be with you on this new place. Even though we're still putting it up, yes, we will enter into it even at this condition. Yes, the God of heaven has given us success. Come along with us. See you at the top.